What's up, Techling? Broke even yesterday? Well, I missed the biggest Kangaroo Tail trade of my life just now. Hey, what's up, Animish? I'll buy this one though, see if it retest up a little bit. Total gain was 0.005%. Also a 5-minute Kangaroo Tail. There's some bullish divergence too. Really big bullish divergence. This kangaroo up here dropped like 18 hours and 12 minutes. SMP2 dropped hard. I don't think US30 is going to go back up. I actually think it's just going to break down. I actually just touched that though. There's some hourly zones. I hesitated on this entry earlier today, or about 15 minutes ago. I was staring at a textbook trade and I didn't take it. Yeah, that 5-minute tail is gonna fail. Bullish divergence too. Yeah, it looked good for the buy, but I don't think it's gonna go up.
I think about that night that I came home. You had the light shining in your eye. In the living room, your bags and clothes were everywhere. You said, let's skip town, take me anywhere. Until your lives are boring, let's you and me ghost and turn off our
Gonna have to suck that one up. On the bright news, I do got the Kangaroo Tail scanner. It's made finally. At a glance, we can see every Kangaroo Tail on only one chart. Scan version 1.0. You can put in any pair you want. Have any time frame you want. I can put max bar as 5, and we can only see all the kangaroos that just recently printed. All I gotta do is click, and boom, that shit's on the chart. So we might actually be looking at Forex setups since it's this easy. I gotta get one for all the stocks too. No, in fact, I'll just make one for all the stocks right now. No need to have 25 stock charts open. Have them all in one indicator. All right, let's see. So I got some of the major stocks open now. Boeing just had one. Wow, this shit makes it way easier. Should have made this shit last year. I will be selling this too, so gotta get that all set up. So we got our 2 scanners. NASDAQ 5-minute. We got bullish kangaroo with bullish divergence. But those candles, nothing's popping up yet. I'm gonna buy NASDAQ. About that 5-minute. Yeah. Bullish divergence out of zone. We'll enter on the 5-minute. Where is the, let's find the open price too. The open price is right up here. I think I'll put a TP right up there. I think NASDAQ's gonna retest the open. What do you mean you just closed, Ganja? You close after 30 seconds? Alright, well that trade failed. US30 to continue the downtrend though. Yeah, I think NASDAQ will be dropping. No retest for the open today. I need to look at some zones on NASDAQ. Let's look on the hourly on NASDAQ. Looks pretty choppy to me on the hourly. Shit. Gotta find these zones. Somewhere in this area. So here's the zones for NASDAQ that I could find on the hourly. If we break this zone, it goes down that way. Yeah, I think NASDAQ is going to come back down here. It's 13,670. So I want to be looking for a trendy. Oh man, why do you got to give me a Kangaroo Tail now when my bias is bearish right now? There's divergence though. The tough situations in trading when your bias is bearish, but then you're presented a bullish Kangaroo Tail with bullish divergence. But the last one we took was even bigger. Okay. Yep, just as I expected. So I think we need to find a spot to ride NASDAQ down. Maybe this trend line. IMB Rich, he says 13,910. You think NASDAQ's gonna go up today? I think we can draw a trend line from here also. I better start looking for a US30. Okay, US30 hourly zone. If it breaks that, it goes down to like 34,600. S&P is presenting a kangaroo. I'm not feeling the buy though right now. Yeah, Mills. Every day at the same time, every morning. On weekdays at least. Check out the scanner. Looks like a lot came up on the scanner. Yeah, Ganja, I tried that Mac 10 loadout last night. Blue, you are taking a buy? Shot for this trend line. I'll shot for this trend line. I think this shit could just bounce down. This is why things get happen. Anybody just joined, this is the Kangaroo Tail scanner I had made. I have the stock scanner here, the main stocks we look at for US30. And let's see. Apple, four candles ago. Oh, where did it go? Disney 3 candles ago, and Boeing 4 candles ago. Marco, are you bearish for NASDAQ too? I think we're dropping. Let's see if TradingView gave one up. I hope that was not a Kangaroo Tail right there. I hope it was not on TradingView. We do have, keep this in mind, we got some daily kangaroos on NASDAQ too, 2 days ago. I'm not in any profits right now, unfortunately. I would have had some big fucking profits on this trade. I wasn't prepared to enter, I just turned the charts on. Got up, I slept through my damn alarm. But either way, I was looking at this Kangaroo Tail right when it printed. I waited a second and started dropping. And then there was another opportunity right here. Started dropping. So that would have been the biggest trade of my life in under 10 minutes. Gold, huh? I'll just add gold to the scanner right now. Let's add it right here. Alright, let's look at some gold. Makes it so fucking easy to find these. Wonder if we can catch the meat of this move. It's already halfway there. We need to try to get in this fairly quickly. I want to see any candle. I'm watching TradingView very closly. Problem is, a kangaroo may not even come during this move. That's the 13. Okay, 13,676. I called it too. There was just no tail. I called it. I said it was going on 13,776. 13,676. Too bad that was not a kangaroo tail right here. That would have been a nice little trade. My analysis was correct. I just didn't get my entry. Damn! That would have been a nice 5 hours at least. I just know if I just enter off a random candle, it's not tail, then I'm going away from my strategy. And I don't want to invent an on-the-go strategy. I want my entry. But that was so close as a tail. So close. Question is, will it go? Okay, we gotta find another zone. Shit, I got caught slipping, not prepared for that second zone. $13,640. Yeah, 13,640 is the next zone. Alright, give me a tail. I expect it to like bounce off in this area though. There we go, like hits the zone right away. I think we're gonna see a wick here though. We're gonna see some kind of wick. I don't think this shit's gonna I mean the next zone is way down here. Yeah, that's a big one. That would be the 900 pip drop if it goes to the next one. It doesn't make sense for NASDAQ to fall through this next zone. Look at previously, we see how many times prices hit back up here. I think we're going to see this kind of a move. So I'm going to be bullish. I'll be bullish looking for a little retrace. Yeah, retrace up to the trend line actually. Do we got bullish divergence? Do I got bullish? No, I don't got any bullish divergence. But we are on major support. We are on support. It doesn't make sense for me to buy. I don't like this candle. The candle before it, look at how much bigger this candle is though right here. But we are on a zone. I'm unsure about this one because of the previous candle. Just gotta look at how many, you gotta look at the zone. I mean, the last week it's been bouncing off it. So it makes sense to assume it's gonna do the same thing, right?
We're about to have a beautiful time. Positive vibes, let's go. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Even worse, I'm sick and tired of barely getting by. You wanna know the truth? Keep this between us. Yeah, I got a job, but I'm only making peanuts. My bank account is so my pocket's kinda thin. I ain't DJ Khaled every now and then I win, But tonight I'm about to be undefeated. Just got off of work and I could barely believe it. Call the weed man, cause he know just what I'm needing. 5 o'clock traffic jam, I'm trying to beat it. Didn't quite happen, no bumper to bumper. Road rage people leaning heavy on they hunkers. I'm just trying to make it home, this day has been bunkers. I usually get drunk, but tonight I'm getting drunker. Called my friends and I explained the whole story, and this is what they told me. Ought to throw a party tonight. Hey, it's been a really long day for me. I should be living.
Yeah, I think it's gonna retest that zone.
Because time won't wait for me. Ought to throw a party tonight. Hey, me and my friends will get wasted. And I'll be happy that I made
So I'm gonna go for a TP up here.
to the end of the day. That's right. So I guess I throw a party tonight.
Yep.
Party, party,
In the blue, you're liking the buy too? Yeah, plus we got this trend line. I mean,
party, party. Let's all get wasted.
I think it's gotta retest a little bit, you know?
Me down. My homie Remy Martin like to see me clown. My homie Mr. Seagrams know how to get it in. Always bring the juice. He always bring the gin. Johnny Walker Black.
US30, I do not see one on US30.
Things that I might regret. Life gets hard. Sometimes you got to hold on. What I do? Take another Jaeger bomb.
There's a little kangaroo on S&P though.
Hold on, man. Who brought this Mr. Boston's? They know they wrong. They should have left it at the doormat. Right beside the bottles of McCormick. The day's long, but the nights are too short. I gotta stay on point like a knife and 2 forks. Negativity's dead. I'm better in my head. And it all started cause I said that I ought to throw a party tonight. It's been a really long day for me. I should be living my life. Cause time won't wait for me. I ought to throw a party tonight. Me and my friends will get wasted. And I
Stop hit.
that I made it. Yeah, to the end of the day. That's right. So I guess I throw a party tonight. Hey, party, party, party. Let's all get wasted. Hey, party, party, party. Let's all get wasted. It don't really matter the day of the week. You can always party with me and all my friends. We all pitching. It ain't no telling when the party will stop. Try not to wake up with a hangover. And if you do, just lay in bed until the pain's over. People leave inebriated when they came sober. I keep it player to the
Should have went with my gut there. My first gut was being kind of cautious about this candle right here.
even back to school on the first day parties. Random just in or the work day parties.
But I'm gonna be looking for sells on US30.
Toga dinner masquerade. All
Yeah, see, it's in the middle of the zone.
to see if everything is all right parties.
I think US30 is gonna hit here. 13. Where's that at?
Parties, graduation parties. Just got a promotion, congratulations party. Old school
13,600.
school parties. Gather around a computer,
Yeah,
YouTube party.
which would be about a 400 pip drop.
So what you waiting on? That's why you ought to throw a party tonight. Hey, it's been a really long day for you. You should be living your life. Hey, because time won't wait for you. You ought to throw a party tonight. Hey, you and your friends will get wasted. And you'll be happy that you made it. Yeah, to the end of the day. That's right. So I guess we'll throw a party tonight. Hey, party, party, party. Let's all get wasted.
We got bullish divergence on US30 right now.
Party, 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 let's all get wasted. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. It's a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Party, 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 let's all get wasted. All the codes you were
Alright, I want to see a tail off this trend line. And drop to 13,600. Give me an entry. No, blue, we're gonna get that shit back to there. I'm using some principles of the mental game of trading right now. I'm not looking at my P&L. I don't give a fuck about my P&L. I just care about the entry. Right here. This book basically says fuck your P&L, work on execution. Why is it, if I check how much I'm down today, I don't think it would help me. We got a bullish tail right here though. But I want to see a wick off this trend line. Cuz I'm pretty convinced it's going to go down to 13,600. I want to see a wicky candle right here. If it does keep going up though, I mean, there's this area that looks interesting. Yeah, what do you think, in the blue? You think NASDAQ's gonna hit there finally? 13,670? I blew my ACR account blue. I had about 1,000 in there. I played a couple $200 tournaments, played a couple $100 tournaments. Couldn't bink. I gotta deposit some more money in America's Card Room. No, I don't gotta deposit, just wait for those affiliate commissions to hit. I know US30 should drop, but there's no entry. Give me an entry, come on. I'm marking up these phenomenal moves down to the zone. I'm just not getting an entry. I think I just got unlucky on this trade. Some variance hit my stop here. And then we're gonna go up. What would US30 do after it hits 13,600? Could I either see this, right? Or Yeah, I mean, if we look at the US30 4-hour Kangaroo, either drop. Okay, let's mark up these zones. Find out where the 4-hour tail would drop, which would be 34,460. 34,460 is that 4-hour. I think we're gonna drop there. I mean, if we're looking at the 4-hour. I gotta show you this Forex setup I saw yesterday because of the scanner. It was on, I think it was on here. Where is it at? That was on. Right here, because the scanner saw this setup on USD JPY. There's a Kangaroo Tail here on the zone. It also had bullish divergence, and that shit just went straight up. So I think at the end of the days, I might have to be looking at the longer term scanner, seeing what's up. Alright, I think US30 is gonna retest back up here. I gotta be looking for buys. Would have hit my TP. SMP just broke the trend line. Yeah, look at this. It's hitting the trend line. Trend line hit. It's on resistance. Now would be a good time to see that bearish tail. I want to know, did anybody actually catch this Kangaroo Tail at the open on US30? I want to know who fucking caught 10, 15 Rs right away. Gold had a kangaroo on a 15-minute. Any gold buyers in the chat today? My entry was a little late on this trade too. I think even with an instant entry, I think I'm still getting stopped. But I'm not getting stopped if I do the instant entry and do the stop right on the tail. Give about 3 Rs. Alright, NASDAQ, we do have a Kangaroo Tail. And I'm selling NASDAQ, take it back down. Yeah, I'm selling. TradingView confirmed it too. Price slowed down a little bit too right here, so we went like 5 candles to the right. Gods, I think we all know he's already a scammer. I think we had a little bit of bearish divergence, maybe. Very, very, very slightly though. From here. Yeah, very, very, very slight divergence. So a couple of confirmations. We're on a trend line. We're on resistance. Bearish Kangaroo Tail. Bearish divergence. The setup looks nice. Setup looks nice. Put the profit line on. It's too soon to set break even. Break even like halfway here. I'll show you where I'll set break even. Set break even when I'm up like 80, 90. I'm happy enough with reducing risk by $25 from original $100 risk. Yeah, we were up 60 for a minute. Oh shit, which way? Which way are we gonna break out? We enter and all we're doing is going sideways. Yeah, I'm just gonna do $100 risk every time. Well, fuck you, NASDAQ. That was not the winner. I gotta talk about this trade because I think my problem was, first of all, I got up late. Right when I turned my chart on, okay? I turn my chart on. I get a Kangaroo Tail alert. I check it. Mentally, I wasn't ready to enter any trade yet. That would have been at least $1,000 trade right there. At least, minimum. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me, NASDAQ. Oh. Stops me out. Oh, the pain. Oh, the pain. How much pips did I get stopped by? Come on, don't do this to me. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got stopped by 4 pips. Oh my god. If that's not variance, I don't know what is. Oh my god. Fuck me. Fuck me. Now I'm pretty tilted. Absolutely brutal. So weekly, I see it dropping a little bit. Weekly uptrend, but short term today, I see it dropping a little bit more. Well, let's see if this would have actually hit my TP though. At minimum, I would have been break even by now. But we don't want break even, we want the TP. Let's see where my TP was. So that was 43 pips away from original TP. Let's see if it hits it. That would have already been break even right now. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'd be up about 200 bucks right now. 200 bucks minimum. Because I had about 3 R's on it. 3 R's was my TP, yeah. Let's see if it hits it. That's like a 6,000 pip drop, though. Are you talking about longer term? 12, 9, 14, 410. Wait, that's I'm looking at the wrong one. Also for a weekly, a 12,900 would be down here. I see some wicks. Yeah, TP would have smashed. Damn it! 4 pips is the difference between $300 and $5 profit. Oh my god, that one stings a little bit. That one stings a little bit. I called the most perfect fucking trade right there. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Oh boy. So annoying. So fucking annoying. No, the inner circle trader, it's been happening to me a lot. I get stopped by 2 or 3 pips and it goes straight down to my TP. Over and over and over. You can't shake it off when you got 60 people watching you too. When you got 60 people watching you, it's gonna sting a lot more, trust me. How many do we got anyways right now? We got 31 on YouTube. We have more people on YouTube right now. Well, you know what? You know what I did right there, inner circle? I fucked with my stop loss before it even hit 1R. Like, usually I've been waiting 1R. Wait, hold on. We got a signal on US30. But it's not below a zone. It's not below a zone. I don't like the look of this tail. I don't like the look of it. Okay. The root of that problem was fucking with my stop loss when it moved on this candle. Right here. Right on this red candle, I moved my stop from here. And I moved it down about right here. When I've been waiting for at least 1R, that was my mistake right there. I moved my stop before I hit at least 1R. That's why I lost. Original stop loss was perfect. But then I made the mistake of moving my stop right on the zone that I have marked, 13,676. Now, it needed to drop a little bit more. It needed to drop a little bit more before I move stops. 1R minimum. Let's not let that happen. If you see me move my stops before it's 1R, call me out in the chat. Rookie mistake. Tell me that some of you caught this fucking trade though. I want to know that some of you did hit that TP. Next setup. We're done dreading it. Next setup. Get ready for the next one. Yeah, see, look at it. That's why I did not like that Kangaroo. So many things wrong with this one. So many. First of all, I'd rather a Kangaroo be on the zone like this. Then I would consider a buy. Yeah, I'd want it on this zone like this. I know from experience that is a shitty kangaroo tail, even though that tail is big. Well, we're halfway to that zone, 13,531. $13,531 would be here. $13,531. All right, we got price on a trend line. Damn, how much more did that drop now? Original. It's moved about 6 hours now. Maybe we can catch the rest of the move down here. Catch the next half move. That would make us feel better. If there's an entry. Mark, you've been holding NASDAQ over the weekend? No, the runner I've always waited for is the entry up here. That was the one I was waiting for. This NASDAQ move is a small move. Very, very small move. Compared to what I saw on US30 dropping 15 Rs in 10 minutes. Yeah, that's the one. I mean, you're not going to see very many kangaroos that will give you 20 Rs in 15 minutes. That's how much. Not 20, maybe 19. 18, 19 Rs. I think this kangaroo might go up a little bit, but continue the downtrend. Maybe I'll watch for a trend line, touch off the 5-minute. You know what? I need to adjust my trend line. We gotta go for the bigger points. Off that high. Off the zone. You know what I see? You know what I see right now? Wrong color. If I can catch an entry right here, I'll be sitting good. I'll be sitting good. So we wait for the re-entry off of this zone here. Yeah, Miles. That would probably be about $8,000. I'm sure people have accidentally made $10,000 too, doing exactly what I did. I guarantee people have done that accidentally. Might take a while for price to hit this trend line. I think now is just the time to be patient. Don't enter too early on this. I mean, obviously it could just drop from here, but the market is showing us a pattern. I'm gonna go with the pattern. Oh, by the way, if anybody wants the root calc, I finally have it up. What it says, what the hell? Never mind, it says there's been a critical error on this website. Fuck. That makes sense. Does not make sense. How's there an error on it? Don't even make... I think people who sell now are gonna get stopped. Yeah, if anybody wants to check out how the root calc is working, here's the link. to replace correct lot sizes on your positions automatically without having to do the math yourself. This is important right here. Don't get into trades accidentally that you aren't prepared for. And make sure you got asked for confirmation on. I do have an installation guide too that I made. I had to add this page in after I accidentally lost $500. Warning, to prevent accidental trades that may be larger than expected, it is recommended to turn on the order confirmation box. Make sure you do that if you buy this. You don't want to lose $500 on accident. Kangaroo Tail, right here. I mean, you could enter this one, but I'd rather enter a kangaroo after it hits the zone. Like, I'd be pretty nervous about this one. No, it's not free, Lucas. $49 lifetime. I am gonna start selling a lot of different indicators. I have a guy working on an indicator for kangaroo tails with force index divergence. So we only see kangaroo tails that have divergence. And then I'm fine tuning the scanner. The scanner will be ready too. The scanner though, I'm gonna be doing a premium price on that. That's why I said I'd be nervous about selling this one. $13,700. No, I think it'll get up to here, and we're dropping like the weekly showing it could drop to some wicks. Melvin, you'll have to close partial yourself. God damn, I just got paid for a subscription on accident. Gotta cancel that shit ASAP. I just got charged $25 for an indicator. I forgot about that. I tried. It was a scanner. I've seen how scanners would work on MetaTrader. God damn it, I hate forgetting about subscriptions and then you get charged $20. I can't scan subscriptions on anything. That's why all my indicators I'm going to sell, it's only going to be lifetime. No monthly. Too many people forget about monthly after 2 or 3 months. And then people, you got to go through the hassle. Oh, can you give me a refund? I forgot. Subscription was on. I don't want to deal with that shit. Well, price is doing what we expected so far. Let's just see if this third trend line touch holds and we get a nice signal. Not sure if I really like this font I'm using. Oops. See that? My risk was too high right there. Make sure it's on 100. I don't want to be risking 200 on accident. Ooh, this could be a big trade if the scenario goes perfectly. So far it is. Could be a big fucking trade. And then if it continues, I'd be down there. I think I did. Yeah. Yeah, I remember seeing that one. I just I wasn't too sure about it. Alright, we gotta focus here. We gotta get ready for any potential big sells right now. Get a print a Kangaroo Tail right now. And it's just gonna drop out of the sky. Oops. That's our drawing we have, remember? Shaw Hell. The first one is the root calc here. That's the calculator you've been seeing right here. You click and drag and you can see your risk reward profit after that. My other product, the Kangaroo Tail scanner, that's not up yet. I gotta do a couple adjustments on this. Like, I gotta tell the guy I need like lines across here so we can keep track. Because right now you just see boxes here. You can't really see. You might click the wrong one. So a couple things I gotta do with that. But so far, this shit works great. We got Trading View up too, so if there's a Kangaroo on Trading View but not MetaTrader, we'll be prepared for it. No, I'm not a programmer. I hired some dude from Russia to make the Kangaroo Tail scanner for me and the divergence indicator. I think there is some slight divergence too. Let's see. We go from there. Yeah, we got some slight bearish divergence. Not much though. It just might drop now without a tail, which would be very unfortunate. Or I could just sell right now. But if I sell, I'm not going with my entry. If I sell now, I'm just going off hope right now. I want the Kangaroo Tail entry. No, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, of what happens before and after. I say I'm not in a trade yet, but I'm looking at NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ 100 I'm waiting for a sell on. But yes, Isaiah, I do show every trade I take, including profit or loss. I know there's a shit ton of people selling already. Every other retail trader sees this trend line that they're trading NASDAQ. They see it is on a zone. And I think it's going to come up a little bit. And then just drop. So it may not follow the trend to a T. It might be stopping people out. Or it just drops out of the sky. The US30 got some M action? Looking like US30 is going to drop. Maybe in here. So far, everything that I'm expecting to happen has happened. I said every retail trader is thinking sell already. Market's gonna go up. Get ready. This could close as a Kangaroo Tail though. This could close as a Kangaroo Tail, and if it does, get ready to fucking sell right away. This could be the this is a stop out candle, and it could wick down for the Kangaroo. that there or is it broker? Yeah, there it is right there. It's letting me copy and paste it. These NGOT brokers. They're regulated. They've been around for 10 years. Regulated in ASIC, Australia, and St. Vincent license. See, that's why we don't just enter cells, just because there's no entry. I said every retail trader saw this. Every retail trader that put in cells has now got stopped out. Yep, get on NGOT. It's much smaller pip counts for indices. One micro lot, you only need $3 in margin. NGOT broker pip values. One micro lot, you're paying 0.001 cent per pip. $3 in margin. A mini lot, you only need $30 in margin, which will give you 1 cent per pip. Standard lot, you only need $300 in margin, and you get 10 cents per pip. Plus, I got all of the pip values broken down in a spreadsheet. Got them broken down for US30, NASDAQ, DAX 30, Bitcoin. We have all the lot sizes, all the pip values, how much 100 pips will be worth, how much 1,000 pips will be worth. Anybody wants to check that out, you can check that link out right there. Well, there's nothing to do right now, Car Sport. Blue, you've been in for 20 minutes already? What's up, Ali 2092? Thanks for the follow. Ali, I actually do not do the home game anymore. That ended about 3 months ago. We do got a Kangaroo on NASDAQ right now. Big bearish divergence too. Do I want to sell though? Looks like a rally has started. Do I want to sell right now? I mean, we got some bigger bearish divergence now. Let's check some of these other pairs on the scanner for 5 minutes. That will happen. Not very many just showed up. Any Euro AUD traders here? Looks like you got a sell opportunity there. 5 minute Kangaroo Tail. USD JPY, look at had an hourly Kangaroo Tail, and that shit just fell out of the sky. I might have to start considering some swing trades at night. Checking the scanner on the hourly. Big bearish divergence still. Kangaroo on trading view. I think momentum is running out. Starting to turn. If I sell now, it's not the worst sell in the world. There's bearish divergence. There's a 1 minute Kangaroo Tail, but only thing I'd be worried about is the zone up here. But I'm gonna enter a sell. Yeah, I'm gonna enter. Off the Kangaroo Tail on trading view and bearish divergence. Go for a TP on the bottom of that zone. I'm only setting break even once it goes to 1R. I'm not going to make the same fucking mistake as that last trade. Whoa, why was my risk 107 there? I wanted it 100. I'll set break even once it goes to 1R. Don't let me fucking move it. We're not making the same mistake. Either stop loss or 1R break even. Almost breakfast time for me too. If we get stopped out here in the next couple candles, I'm gonna probably end the stream and go make my breakfast. But if we drop 1R, if we drop the 1R, I'll set break even. And I might just leave the stream running. What's the NASDAQ trying to do? Fuck me. Alright. That's it for me. That's it for me. I'm gonna hop off, guys. Once my trading day is over, I will look at my P&L. Woo, boy. I lost more than expected there. Alright, I lost $408 today. Off 5 trades. So if we would have hit this one though and not been stopped out by 4 pips, I would have only been down 50 for the day. Oh my god, that was a big mistake right there. I'm moving my stops before I hit 1R. Big mistake there. I swear to god, if I get stopped by 2 pips on this one too and it drops, whew. Yeah, man, that trade got some slippage on me. Lost 116 on that last one instead of 100. Yeah, yep. Have a good one, Drew. We're about 58 of you watching for about 2 hours. I know a lot of you made some profits today, but I didn't. That's okay. It's all good. We'll get back out tomorrow. I might take this trade after I get off stream. Yep, later, Animesh. Yeah, I was able to enter a few more trades. I did not look at my P&L until my trading day was over. So yeah, have a good one, everyone. Let's catch some big trades tomorrow. I'm close. I'm fucking close to being where I want to be. Yep, later in the blue. Yep, Jules, I will check that out.